All right, y'all. Today we're going to be making Trini curry chicken. Let's get into it. First, we're going to peel and cut our carrots. Then we're going to dice some potatoes into fours. We're going to season our chicken with a little salt, some cayenne, some ginger, some cumin, and some curry. After that, we're going to give it a nice, good stir. We're also going to add some green seasoning to it. I will post a recipe for that separately. After we give that a mix, we're going to pour some onions and garlic into an oiled skillet. We're going to mix that around and add in our curry. We're going to add in some garam masala, some cumin, and also some turmeric. We're going to give that a nice, good stir. We're going to add some water to that, make a good sauce. Now we're going to add our seasoned chicken. We're going to give it a nice, good stir. Make sure the chicken is coated. Add some more water to it and let it simmer for a few minutes. After you let it simmer, we're going to add some carrots and potatoes to that mixture, a little more water if needed. Give it a nice good simmer for a few minutes. And there we have it. Nice, juicy, tender curry chicken. It's an awesome meal to make at home. I love this dish. It's one of my favorite dishes from my mother's homeland. And now you can all make it too. So I hope you enjoy.